Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com. In this video, I want to talk to you about preset management in Lightroom. So what happens is you know, as we download a bunch of presets that we find everywhere or on Sleeklens.com, our Lightroom can kind of get a little junked up. As you can see on the left hand side here, I have all of these presets installed on my computer. And what I want to do is kind of help manage these a little bit, so that way I'm not looking at a whole bunch. I can just kind of pick and choose the ones I want, but still keep them in my library in case I never need to go back. So I have this photo right here, and I want to apply some presets to it. But you can see I have over here as an example, I have two real estate preset groups basically. And so in these you have these presets here, and then you also have these presets here. And so I want to get rid of, let's say, which one do I want to get rid of? Let's go ahead and get rid of the one that's capitalized. I don't know why it's capitalized, but let's go ahead and get rid of it, but also keep it just in case we ever need to come back. And so how you do that is basically just right click on it and say Manage Presets. And here you're going to see all of your presets here. They're going to all have a checkbox next to them. And this is where you can toggle them off and toggle them on. As you can see, the classic, the ones that are basically defaulted with Lightroom, I have those turned off, so they're not in my Lightroom catalog. But now I can go down here to the one that's capitalized that says real estate. I'll uncheck that, click save, and now it is gone, and I don't have it junking up my presets folder anymore. But if I ever need to go back to it, just right click again, manage presets, and I can go back and turn it back on. So if there's some presets that you don't use often, or there's some that are just, you know, you definitely want to keep them just to have them in there just in case, and then maybe come back to them. This is a great way of handling your preset management in Lightroom. So hope you enjoyed this quick little tip in Lightroom. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'll see you in the next one.